Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm at my parents' restaurant. We're prepping for Thanksgiving. We have tons of Thanksgiving orders. Thanksgiving is the biggest, most busy day of the year, well, the day before. We have tons of orders, so we're prepping things right now. I'm gonna bring you guys inside so you can see everything behind the scenes. Desserts are up here before we wrap them and kind of package them. These are all of the peach cobblers. Every one of these are accounted for. People pre-ordered these. These are the cornbreads. And these are all of the small sizes. Pineapple upside down cake. Up front here we have all of the boxes for the sweet potato pies, and these are all accounted for as well. I can't even count the amount of pies that we have prepared, but everyone's coming to pick up their orders tomorrow. So we still have a lot of dishes to cover. What we like to do is we write kind of instructions for the customer. We partially cook the macaroni and cheese in the dressing. So here are the directions here. We have to stick all of these tags onto these covers. It's day 2. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. This is my sister Kayla. Hi. Those collars that were cooking last night are finally done. We're panning them out to small pans. Good. They have the barbecue ribs that are ready. He's always getting beat up. Turn around and say hi.
What's up, Kyle? Hey, how are you?
So I'm gonna take you guys outside. This is where people are gonna be picking up all of their orders, either from here or from the back door if they have a really large order. We're kind of trying to do this system outside because of COVID. We're not really allowed to have a lot of people inside. This is the safest thing to do. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it doesn't get too chaotic. We have quite a few workers that are gonna be out front dealing with customers and stuff. So, yep. So here's Mom alphabetizing everyone's order and all of these orders for today. Right? Right. Alright, turkeys are done. Dad?
Hello, hello.
Additional cars will be on that side waiting to be serviced. So our
We're in this country. We know that COVID is real. I know it's real. Ms. Kim, you know it's real?
It's real.
Mm-hmm. But people are still eating, and they're not just eating pizza, they're eating soul food. So, and as long as we keep doing what we're doing, you know, with our attitudes, with our presentation, and we cook with what? Love. All right? We cook with love. So there's no way getting around that. You can't substitute that, and you can't duplicate that, you can't fake it. Just away from the holidays, we usually have a big ball. Krystin, what do we do with that ball?
we pass the ball around and say what we're thankful for.
Yeah, we don't have a ball here today. But I am thankful for my life. I'm thankful for my family, for my beautiful wife, for my children, and for my grandbaby, my new grand. This year has been a little challenging for me and for our entire family. As you know, I'm not even going to go into that, but I'm grateful for my parents, especially for my mom, who has, especially for my dad, but more recently for Mom, who's set a foundation in all of us. So that's what I am thankful for. Krystin, what are you thankful for?
I'm also thankful for my family. I'm thankful for starting school, starting my college experience. And I'm thankful for you guys starting working here.
All right, throw it to somebody.
Let's go to
I have to give thanks for life, for my family, friends, loved ones, for all of you guys here. I appreciate you. I appreciate you all, so I'm thankful.
Yes.
I guess it's me. So of course I'm thankful for my family, and for this business, for what we're able to give to the community, to be connected to all of you.
Wonderful boss, which is Mr. Andre. And overall, I'm thankful that everybody here doesn't have COVID.
Yes. Yes.
So
Good.
that's the main thing.
Replenishing my health, because I could have been one that has died, like so many that we know have passed away because of COVID. I thank God for sustaining me, blessing our family, allowing us the strength and the ability, the agility to run the business. I thank God for my wonderful husband who does everything all the time, nonstop, always going. But God has given him the strength to sustain, and I thank God for all of you, my family, my sister, my children, and all of you. I thank God for the love that he allows to abide here in this place, and the trust that we have with one another, and the just the love.
So it's kind of busy right now. We got some cars out here. We're giving away some free desserts. Our system is pretty simple. We have teams. Alyssa and I are in the same team. We each have these carts here. What we do is we go to the cars, well, the guys go outside and they put stickers on the cars that haven't been serviced. And we go to the cars with the sticker and we ask for their name. All of the orders are already paid for, so we just go in and get their slip and then bring out all of the food with the cards. Like this. I mean, if the order's not big, then we don't have to really bring a card out. So yeah, giving away all these desserts, banana pudding, strawberry cake, peach cobbler, sweet potato pie.
Making another video?
Yeah! I'm gonna go get your slip. I'm gonna go get your slip. I'll be right back. I'll get your slip. The whole... Yeah. Thank you. Alright, it should be under Nancy. Onion, dressing, mac, potato salad, 2 pies, and 1 banana pudding. It's in the fridge here. I can get it. It's now 5:12. We were supposed to close at 4 o'clock. People were still trying to come pick up their orders, so things ran a little late. We're completed today. Things went pretty smoothly, so super grateful for that. Now we're gonna go home, get rest, have a good Thanksgiving tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful, blessed Thanksgiving. I'll catch you in the next video.